Designers, if you were going to save this image to use on a website, which file format would you pick? PNG, GIF, or JPEG? Now, most of you are probably screaming at the screen, JPEG, because PNG and GIF both save smaller when you use clean lines and solid colors, so things like logos work better. PNG is best for transparency, GIF is best for animation. But this is a photo, so if you said JPEG, you'd be absolutely right. But you'd also be a dinosaur, because the JPEG came out in 1992, and image compression techniques have come a long way in 32 years. 1992 is 32 years ago. That is depressing. These days, there are better formats that can save your image to a lower file size at better quality. Now, why is this important for web designers? Well, small-sized formats like WEBP mean for a faster loading website. Faster sites do better on Google, everybody wins. So how do we save as WEBP in Photoshop? Because it's not in the Save for Web panel, and it's not in the Export As panel. We have to go to File, Save a Copy, and in our format, scroll all the way down to WEBP. Press Save, and in the dialog, scroll this slider down and see what you can get away with. Because you can crank this bloody low, and honestly, the quality is still decent. And look at that. 80 kilobytes as a WebP. If I try and get to that file size with JPEG compression, things get ugly in a hurry. So why aren't we all using WebP? Well, some of the older versions of Internet Explorer don't support it, but bearing in mind it works on Google Chrome, which is used by 3.4 billion people, I think you'll be alright there. But even so, I reckon you should give your JPEGs a cuddle, because in a few years they might just be obsolete. But if you're too attached and you can't let go just yet, try giving the website tinyjpeg.com a try. You won't get WebP level compression, but it'll definitely shave a bit of fat from your image, which is always a good thing.